Friends, today I'm going to show you some previous year questions that has been asked in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center examination for library assistant, which was held in 2019. I think this might be helpful for your coming examinations which you are going to appear in near future. And this PDF was downloaded from lisquiz.com. It is a very good site. You can go over there and you can have very useful and helpful information for your preparation. It will be a very helpful site. Let's come to the first question, that is, which of the following is an operating system? The correct option is Ubuntu. Question number second, one of the book selection principles state that the best reading for the largest number at the dash cost, and the option is C, least. Question third says financial allocation made to a library for a purchase of furniture and equipment usually comes under the budget head, non-recurring grant. Question number 4, books misplaced on the shelves by readers are restored. This work is referred to as, and the correct option is C, self-rectification. Question number 5, Indian patents on all areas are published in Gazette of India Part 3rd. And the next question is question number 6, colon classification is related to with scheme, that is answer option D, freely faceted. Question number 7, which law of library science emphasizes on reading of books from the library? And the correct option is fifth law, which says that library is a growing organism. Let's go to eighth question, that is Science Direct is a database developed by Elsevier. Good. Question number 9, common auxiliaries are used in, and the correct option is B, UDC. 10th, library legislation refer to the development of public libraries. Option C, the concept of SDI was introduced by Hans Peter Lohn. Option D. Let's move to the next question, that is 12, Web 2.0 was coined by O'Reilly. Good question. Question 13, data that are collected, observed or created for the purpose of analysis to produce and validate original research result is, and the correct option is B, research data. Question 14, on demand delivery of compute power, database storage, application and other IT services through a cloud service platform by the internet with the pay as you go pricing is, and the correct option is, this is a quite modern technique which is very much vogue, that is option number C, cloud computing. Let's move to the next question, that is 15, which of the following is a reference management software? And the correct option is EndNote. Which of the following stands for a legal rights exclusively given to the authors, that is creators, of intellectual work? And the correct option is C, copyright. The 17th question says which of the following is not a search engine? And the correct option is Joomla. Question 18, what will be the ratio of simple interest earned by a certain amount at the same rate of interest for 6 years and data for 9 years? I think this question doesn't belong to library science. This can be taken as a reasoning question, and the correct option is 2:3. I think you might be knowing, or you must be knowing, the correct formula for is SI equal to PRT by 100. We can use that formula and we will get the correct answer by taking out the ratio. Question number 19 says Jubilee project is associated with, and the option is C, evaluation of electronic services. Question number 20, father of library movement in USA, Melvin Davey. Option B. Question 21 says that DAS is an online database of engineering, and the correct option is B, Compendex. Compendex. Let's move to the next question, that is 22. RDA stand for Resource Description Assays. Question number 23. The following can be used to measure the research output of an individual, and the correct option is H index. Question number 24 says which of the following is not covered by intellectual property right? And you're right, the correct option is C, thesaurus. And 25 says UAP stands for Universal Availability of Application. Very right. Question number 26 says IMCE stands for, and the answer is A, International Meeting of Cataloging Expert. Let's move the next question, that is 27, and it says that WIPO stand for, and the correct option is B, World Intellectual Property Organization. And the next question is 28. The term communication is originated from, and the correct answer is B, Latin. Question number 29. Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science is published by Marshall Decker. Option number B, Marshall Decker. Question number 30 says NPTEL is the acronym for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Option C. Question number 31. METS stand for, and the correct option is D, Metadata Encoding and Transmission Standard. Metadata Encoding and Transmission Standard. Question number 32. Information Literacy Competency Standard for Higher Education is prepared by, and the correct option is D, ACRL. Question 33 says that the national convention regularly organized by DELNET is known as, and we call it option number C, that is NACLIN, NACLIN. Let's move to the next question, that is 34. It says that two houses are in front of each other. Both have chimneys on their top. The line joining the chimneys makes an angle of 45 degrees with the ground. I don't think you should opt for this question. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 35. Word of Learning is published by, and the correct option is C, Europa Publication. Very well. And question number 36 says Lycos is a search engine. Option number A, correct. Question 37 says which network of India provided the first email service in the country, and the correct option is EarNet. Question 38 says that the term bespeaking is used for which of the following? A reservation of books. Very well. Let's move to the next question, that is 39. In which indexing system table of roll operator is used? In which indexing system table of roll operator is used? That is Vssc. Next, let's move to the next question, that is 40. Who coined the term library 2.0? And the correct option is B, Michael Casey. Let's move to the next question, that is 41. There's a non-traditional bibliometrics proposed as an alternative or a complement to more traditional citation impact metrics such as impact factor and H-index. And the correct option is C, altmetrics. The next question is 42, that is ISO 2018 standard is related to, and the correct option is C, International Standard Book Number. Let's move to the next question, that is 43. Which of the following is a citation analysis service? Citation analysis service, and the correct option is Web of Knowledge. Option number B. Question number 44 says when the first edition of SEER list of subject heading published, that is 1923. Question number 45. Librarian of Library of Congress is appointed by, and the correct option is President of USA. Question number 46 says, which among the following is free audiobook site? And the correct option is option C, LibriVox. Question number 47, books of unknown or doubtful authorship is known as apocryphal books. Very good question. Question 48 says FLAC is format for lossless data compression for audio. That is option number B. Question 49 says zero based budgeting system was first designed by, and the correct option is Peter Fire 1970. That's the additional knowledge. Question number 50, which information theory focuses on the purpose of communication is to inform, instruct or motivate the receiver? And the correct option is Ackoff's theory. Let's move to the next question, that is 51. Ontology is classification of internet based document. That is correct option is C, इंटरनेट आधारित दस्तावेजों का वर्गीकरण. Let's move to next question, that is 52. Standard for encoding data in CD-ROM, and the correct option is ISO 9660. These are very important question. I think 53 question is from mathematics. Let's skip this. And the 54 question is DAS is Australia's major online repository, provides information about millions of resources collected by Australia's libraries, universities, research repositories and cultural institutions. And the correct option is B, and we call it Trove. Question number 55. Classification number assigned to and used to arrange US federal government documents. And the correct option is C, SUDOCS number. Question number 56. The standard used to provide an unambiguous and well-defined method of representing dates and times so as to avoid misinterpretation of numeric representation of dates and times, particularly when data are transferred between countries with different convention for writing numeric dates and times. Very well, and the correct option is D, ISO 8601. Next question, that is 57. World Book Day or a World Book and Copyright Day, also known as International Day of the Book or World Book Days, is a yearly event on, correct option C, April 23rd. Question number 58. A subscription service initiated by Andrew W. Mellon Foundation to convert backruns of important journals and make them available to academic libraries. And the correct option is JSTOR. Question number 59. RDF stand for, and the correct option is D, Resource Description Framework. Resource Description Framework. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 60. A set of terms that have been carefully selected in order to avoid having multiple terms for the same subject. And the correct option is D, that is controlled vocabulary. Very well. And the next question, that is 61. Noise in information retrieval is due to redundant information. Very well. Question number 62 says that technological gatekeeper is option D, that is an informal mechanism of keeping user informed of a relevant development. Question 63, that is functional requirement for a bibliographic record, that is FRBR, was developed by, and the correct option is C, IFLA, that is International Federation of Library Association and Institution. Let's move the next question, that is 64, and I think it is of mathematics. Let's skip this question, that is 64. Let's move to the next question, that is 65. Kinetica is an online information service by Australian Library Network. Question number 66. Who is the compiler of web bibliography of Rabindranath Tagore? And the option is B, RRLF. The next question is 67. The publisher of Annals of Library, Science and Documentation. And the correct option is A, Nishkaya. Question number 68. The process of preservation of old document is archiving. Option C, 69. And this is also the mathematical question. We are going to skip this question. Let's move to next question, that is question number 70, and it says that AACR stand for, and the correct option is D, Anglo-American Cataloging Rules. Fine. Question number 71 says that is 71, HTML stand for, and the correct option is C, Hypertext Markup Language. Question 72 says Integrated Library Management System, that is ILMS, developed by National Informatics Center is e-Granthalaya. Option B. Question 73, ISBN is provided in India by, and the correct option is A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation. Yes. Let's move to the next question, that is 74, process data is known as, correct, option B, information. And the next question, that is 75, in India which university started library science course first, and the correct option is B, Madras, earlier known as Chennai. No, I mean earlier known as Madras, and now it is famously known as Chennai. Next question is 76, and it says that who is the author of the book The Prolegomena of Library and Classification, and the correct option is B, S.R. Ranganathan. Very well. The next question is 77, table of contents service is, correct option is D, that is SDI, table of contents services. Let's skip the question 78. Question number 79 says what is the smallest unit of information in a computer? Correct is bit. RFID is a technology used for identification of subject. Option number A. And this is all for today, friends. I hope you like this questions, and it might be very useful for your coming examinations. I am going to upload new videos like this if I'll get a good response. Thank you and best of luck.